Today, we will learn the capitals of 10 countries.
What is the capital of Bangladesh?
The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka.
What is the capital of India?
The capital of India is New Delhi.
What is the capital of Pakistan?
The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad.
What is the capital of Nepal?
The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu.
What is the capital of Sri Lanka?
The capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardhanepura Kotte.
What is the capital of China?
The capital of China is Beijing.
What is the capital of Japan?
The capital of Japan is Tokyo.
What is the capital of the United States?
The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C.
What is the capital of the United Kingdom?
The capital of the United Kingdom is London.
What is the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris.
আরও নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পেতে লাইক, কমেন্ট এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। ধন্যবাদ মিনি লার্নের সাথে থাকার জন্য।